Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to highlight screenshots in the Snipping tool in Windows. First, open the Start menu and search for Snipping tool. Click on the app to open it. Next, click the New button and take a screenshot using Rectangle Snip. Select any area of your screen that you want to capture. After taking the screenshot, it will open automatically in the Snipping tool window. Now look at the top toolbar. Click the Highlighter tool, which looks like a yellow marker icon. After selecting the highlighter tool, click and drag your mouse over the text or area that you want to highlight. You can highlight one section or multiple sections on the same screenshot. If the highlight is too thick, click the small arrow next to the highlighter tool and adjust the thickness. You can also choose a different highlight color if that option is available in your version of Snipping tool. If you make a mistake, click the Eraser tool and remove the unwanted highlight. The highlighter tool is very useful for emphasizing important text, buttons, menu options, or any part of the screenshot that you want viewers to notice. When you finish highlighting, click the Save icon in the top right corner, choose a folder, enter a file name, and click Save. That's it. This is how to highlight screenshots in the Snipping tool in Windows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.